scientists. I have another engineering activity for us to try. Leo, my son, is going to give it a try too. All you need for this activity is some kind of tub, or it could be a pot or a bowl, something that you can fill with water, some foil, and some coins. So it could be pennies or quarters or nickels or dimes, some kind of coins. So we're going to make a pretend problem. Our pretend problem is that we've got this. Well, we can pretend this is a big lake of water, a big river of water, and we've got to cross the water. We've got to get our valuable things, our valuable money, across the water. So we're going to have to build something that can float across the water and can carry something heavy and valuable like money. All we can use for this is foil. Okay, so Leo, we're going to each get, don't use it yet, don't start folding yet, we're each going to get a piece of foil. Now, Leo and I are going to take a moment and we're going to think, we've got to come up with a plan. We know we need to float some money in the water with our foil. So I wonder what could yours look like? What would you do? Give it a try.
I might be able to make like a little boat.
Oh, a boat, okay. And I was thinking, kind of like you, I was thinking about making a raft. Kind of like a square, but with the edges up around it. All right, do you feel like are you ready to build? Do you want to show your plan, Leo? Awesome. Are you ready to build it? All right, let's give it a go. We made our plans. We're going to build it, test it out. That's okay. Do you keep on trying? So sometimes problems come up when you're trying to devise a solution. It's okay, so you just got to work with your problems.
A problem helped me.
Oh,
an idea.
That's your idea. Okay, all right. So I've got mine. Should we see? Oh, looks like it floats.
Let's see if it can. Mine can.
Yeah, now we got to see, can it carry any money? Maybe just start with one. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh, bummer.
Let's try it again.
Okay, so now you got to come up with a new plan. Let's see if mine works. Oh, can I put some more money in? Ooh, pretty well.
At least my invention.
All right, do you want to try a different solution?
Yeah.
Okay, so just like Leo, yours might not work the first time. Try a new plan. The thing about engineers is they're always looking for problems and then making plans and testing them out. And sometimes their tests work and sometimes they don't. But that doesn't stop them. That doesn't get them discouraged. They keep on trying, just like Leo. He's going back to the drawing board. He's going to try a new plan.
Mommy, mine's going to be the same except it has these.
Oh, okay. Give it a try. You want to try to build it? So maybe this time try to be really careful with that foil because it tore last time. That made it harder.
But then I tried a ring.
Yeah, you did. I like the ring. It floated though.
Yeah, it floated, but it couldn't carry 10 foil. I'm going to try like maybe a little one. I'm going to make like a little boat with that has. I'm going to make like a little boat like yours, Mama.
Okay.
Like a little one.
Oh. So another thing that engineers do is they learn from what works. Sometimes they even look in nature and they look around in nature at what things can fly, what things can float, and then they use those ideas to help design their solutions. Let's give it a try. You want to try to put some money in yours?
Yeah, I'm going to try to put all these coins on the
See
see if it works.
Oh,
Can carry so many.
Success! Science scientists, why don't you guys be engineers? Get some foil, get some water, get some coins. See if you can make something float. Take a picture or a video and share it with us.